Hello, ladies and gents, and welcome to another fabulous week of English 235. We're in week 8 already. That's amazing. We just have 3 weeks left of the quarter before finals week. It's going fast. So this week we are going to be taking a little break from the more technical side of writing, and I want to give you just a couple really practical skills coming out of this class, and those skills are job application skills. So I want to show you how to create an effective cover letter and an effective resume. So you'll be reading about that this week in the textbook, and then working on your cover letter and your resume to turn in on Sunday. So we'll take a look at this assignment real quick. You are going to be finding a job posting, and then we're going to be tailoring our resume and our cover letter to that specific job posting. So you can find one any way that you normally would find a job. I have a couple links here that might be helpful. For Indeed, Monster Board, Career One Stop. If you're looking for jobs in education, here's our local school districts. If you're looking for local government jobs, here's our local cities. The CBC Human Resources Student Employment Office is a great place to look too, primarily because they give you a lot of details about these jobs, and the more details you find in the job listing, the easier it is to tailor your cover letter and your resume to that specific job to show that you are the very best candidate for that specific position. So you're going to be finding a job listing. You're going to be including that as a part of your assignment. Then you're going to write a cover letter in traditional letter format. I've got the examples here as well in the modules tab for you. And then you're going to be doing a resume. I have a sample resume for you here. Just do remember to remove those borders. They're not necessary. They're just to kind of help you fill out the template. So remove those before you submit it to me. So you're going to be turning in 3 things: the job listing, your cover letter, and your resume on Sunday. We have lots of resources to help you out in the modules tab. So if you click on there and then scroll down, we finished the standard operating procedure. Yay. Let's see. There we go, job letter and resume. So here's a whole PowerPoint on cover letters. I've got a recorded lecture to walk you through that process step by step and show you how to tailor that cover letter to a specific job posting. I've got the resumes PowerPoint that'll show you how to do the same with your resume. And then just for fun, I found an assemblage of the worst resumes ever. And guys, they're pretty bad. So make sure that you're not making these mistakes because they're bad ones. This guy says his references are unavailable because they were all burned up in a fire. Like, probably not, right? This person did not proofread their resume very well. So do make sure that you're proofreading because you could be saying some things that you really don't mean to say. Also, it's good to tailor the resume to exactly what you're looking for, and make sure that you're using elevated language to appeal to the people who are hiring. Some things don't need to be shared, like the fact that this person was almost tricked into marriage into 2009, which is a weird thing to share, right? So don't do that. Also, no clip art, right? Don't do dumb stuff with your text. Like, just follow the template and things will be good. Probably don't put illegal activity on there or stuff like that. So, don't put that on there because that's not going to get you hired. Yeah, and spell checking again because that's really important. So please make sure that your resume looks professional, that it follows the template, and that it is clearly appealing to your professional audience. Make them want to hire you. Show them that you are the very best candidate. And so we've got help for you to do that in the modules folders and also in the recorded lecture. So make sure to check all that out. And that's what we're working on this week. I'm excited to see how these ideas come together for you. And I hope that this is a helpful skill set that will benefit you beyond this class. As always, if you have any questions, reach out. I'm here to help.